This is your hometown. In '65, tension was running high at my school. There was a lot of fights between the black and white. There was nothing you could do. Two cars at a light on a Saturday night. In the backseat there was a gun. Words are passed, a shotgun blast. Troubled times had come to my hometown. To my hometown. To my hometown. To my hometown. Now Main Street's whitewashed windows and vacant stores. Seems like there ain't nobody wants to come down here no more. They're closing down the textile mill across the railroad tracks. Foreman says these jobs are going, boys, and they ain't coming back to your hometown. To your hometown. To your hometown. To your hometown. Last night me and Kate, we laid in bed talking about getting out, packing up our bags, maybe heading south. At 35, we got a boy of our own now. Last night I sat him up behind the wheel, said, son, take a good look around. This is your hometown.
The sun shines brightly on a Jersey afternoon. He walked in his parents' footsteps on his way home from school. And those ties that were so sweet also burned under his feet. Now he's ready to walk a path that is new, and he can't turn back. He can't turn back. He can't turn back.